Ramadan is a month-long Islamic holiday that is observed by Muslims worldwide. It is considered one of the most important and sacred times of the year for Muslims, as it marks the month in which the Quran was revealed to the Prophet Muhammad. During this time, Muslims fast from dawn to sunset, abstaining from food, drink, and other physical needs, as a way to purify their souls and increase their devotion to God. Ramadan is observed during the 9th month of the Islamic calendar, which is based on the lunar cycle. This means that the exact dates of Ramadan may vary from year to year, depending on the sighting of the new moon. Typically, Ramadan lasts for 29 or 30 days, and it culminates with the celebration of Eid al-Fitr, which marks the end of the fasting period. The observance of Ramadan begins with the sighting of the crescent moon, which signals the start of the new Islamic month. Muslims all over the world will begin to fast from the next morning, with the exception of those who are exempted from fasting, such as the elderly, the sick, and young children. During Ramadan, Muslims are expected to focus on their spiritual lives and increase their devotion to God. They are encouraged to read the Quran, engage in prayer and other religious practices, and engage in acts of charity and kindness. The fast is intended to be a time of spiritual reflection and self-discipline, as well as a way to deepen one's connection to God and strengthen one's faith. Muslims who observe Ramadan wake up early in the morning to eat a pre-dawn meal called suhoor. This meal is typically a light one, consisting of foods that provide energy and sustenance throughout the day. Once the sun rises, Muslims are expected to abstain from food, drink, and other physical needs until sunset. The fast is broken at sunset with a meal called iftar. This meal is often a festive one, with families and friends gathering to break the fast together. Traditional iftar foods may include dates, which are a rich source of energy, as well as other foods like lentil soup, kebabs, and sweets. In some cultures, it is traditional to invite guests to break the fast as a way of demonstrating hospitality and generosity. Ramadan is also a time of community and social gatherings. Many mosques hold special services during Ramadan, including Taraweeh prayers, which are performed after the evening prayer. These prayers are recitations of the Quran, and they can last for several hours. In recent years, technology has played a significant role in the observance of Ramadan. Social media platforms like Twitter and Facebook are used to connect with friends and family, and to share messages of goodwill and encouragement. There are also a number of apps available that provide information on the timing of prayer and fasting, as well as tips on how to make the most of the holy month. In the year 3000, it is possible that the observance of Ramadan may have evolved significantly from the way it is observed today. As technology continues to advance, it is likely that new tools and platforms will emerge that will help Muslims to deepen their spiritual practice during Ramadan.